Hello everyone, you're watching the 10th video of free Fiverr series with Aisha Khalid on Ash Knows. In this video, you're going to learn about some amazing tools, some amazing online as well as offline tools that you can use to create your own impressive Fiverr Gig image. So let's begin. Alright, the first tool or website that I have for you is Canva. It's an amazing website and you can use it for designing a lot of stuff like for Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram pictures, and so much more. You can do a lot of crazy stuff with this website. So let's see how you can do it. Before you can use it, you have to sign up, and you can do it with the help of Google, Facebook, or just with your email. So I have already signed up on Canva using my Google account. So let's just log in. All right, I am in my Canva account now, right? So this is the interface of Canva. This is the site dashboard, and here you can see a lot of different options like social media, presentation, poster, video, mobile first presentation, Facebook cover, flyer. You can design all of these things using Canva. But how you can do it? Let's see. First of all, you have, like as we discussed in the last video, that Fiverr Gig image usually have a size of 550 by 370 pixels. So we will create a custom dimension using that size. How you can create custom dimension? There are two methods to do that. The first one is to use this option, this custom dimension option here, and the other method is to click this create a design button here. When you click this button, you can see here there's another option, custom dimensions. Click this option and enter your required dimensions. In my case, I'll enter 550 cross 370 pixels, which is the optimum size for Fiverr Gig image. So I've clicked create design, and now this is the screen that you can see in front of you. All right, here are different pictures that you can use for creating your gig image. But how I do it, I'll tell you my method. For example, in the last video we discussed 4 methods to create a Fiverr Gig image. Let me show you those methods. So the first one was only text, like you can design a picture using text, or you can design a picture using your own image and text, or you can design an image using your text, image, and the work sample, or you can use illustrations to do that. So I'll discuss all of these methods and like how I created these pictures. So let's go for the first one. For example, I want to create this kind of picture. What I'll do is I'll just go to Google and I'll select some solid background. For example, let's select some because blue is actually a professional color, so I just go with this color while designing my gig images. So I'll select just any color from here. For now, let's go with this color and save it in your computer. All right, the picture is there, and now I will use this picture. How I can upload a picture of my own choice in Canva? You can go to this option uploads here and click it. Here you can upload an image and select that image you want to upload, and the image will be there. All right, it's uploaded, and then I'll just click on this image and it will come here on this page. Whatever you're trying to do, this is your frame. You will have to keep this frame in mind while designing your image. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll just fix this image in my frame. Like I'll make it 550 cross 370 pixels, like this. All right, so this is my base background, like this is the background of my Fiverr Gig image. Now I want to write some text on it. How I can write some text now? Excuse me. All right, so I'll choose this text option here, and then I'll click add a heading, right? And now I'll write something. For example, I am selling video editing services, so I'll write expert video editing services in $10, for example. Let's suppose it for now. So I've written this text from here. Now if I want to change the color of this text, I'll just select it, and then I will go here, and then I can select the color of my own choice. For example, I want to select the white color, so I'll select it and it will get white. And if you want to increase the width, height, or font, you can also do it. For example, I want to change the font of this text. I usually use sans serif fonts in my images. So let's see, I want to add the Poppins font here. You can search a lot. There are a lot of fonts that you can search. For example, I'm using this font, so I'll just click this one, and this font will be applied here. Alright, it's applied, and I want to increase the font size as well, so I will just increase it to, like, it's too much. Alright, just go to 42, and here you can see this is the image you have designed, right? It's that simple. Alright, you can also do a lot of stuff, like you can adjust the alignment, you can underline it, you can adjust the spacing, or you can control the transparency of the text as well as the background. You can also control the transparency of the background, like you can change its color totally. So there are a lot of different options. You can apply different effects from here. You can filter, apply filters here. You can adjust the photo, crop, flip, whatever you want to do. Like there are so many options, but for now I'm just going to go with this one. So this is our first template, the only text template, right? So it's done. Now I will save this picture. How I can save it? I will click this download button here, and I will switch from PNG to JPG format, because Fiverr only allows JPG or JPEG format for Fiverr Gig images. So I will choose JPG format, and then I'll click download. So the file is preparing for download, and it's there. Let's see how it looks. I'll go to downloads, and then I'll just open this file. Sorry, it's just not there for now. Let me refresh it. Alright, it's there. Expert video editing services in $10. I'll then open it. Alright, it's there. So this is the first image that we have created using Canva. Now we want to add some image to this picture as well. So what we'll do for that, what I did in this picture was how I got the picture of this man, and then I adjusted his photo in my picture. So there's a website for doing that. There's a website that I use. It was Pexels. I'll go to pexels.com, and then I'll select some picture. Like I think I wrote okay, let's write laptops. Here I wrote laptops, and then you will see a lot of images having laptops in them. These are all royalty free, copyright free images. You can use them, edit them according to your own requirements. There's just no problem, right? So you can select any picture you want, or you can add your own picture. For example, if I'm not adding my own picture here, I'm just telling you how you can crop, adjust your images. So for example, I want to use this image, right? I want to use this image in my gig. What I'll do is I'll go for free download. I basically adjust the size before downloading. Alright, I just select this large size and then I'll go for free download. When I click the download, it will go for download. You can also give credits to those who click these pictures, but if you don't want to, you can just ignore it. Alright, the picture is there, and let me show you the picture. This is the picture, and I cannot use this picture like this in my Fiverr Gig image. So what I'll do is I'll remove the background of this image. Basically, I'm not a graphic designer. I don't know much about graphic designing, removing backgrounds, Adobe, Photoshop, etc. So I just have some hacks that I use for doing these things. So what I do is I just go to remove background. Just write remove background in Google and you will see the websites that remove background. So I'll just click the first one, remove.bg. This is the website. You can upload your picture here. So I have uploaded my picture and then the background will be removed. It's not that fine and that precise, but yes, I guess it does a pretty good job. Alright, it's there now. This is the original picture and this is the picture without the background. So now I can download this picture. Go there and download. The picture is there, women in black, blue. So now I'll go to Canva and then I'll create a new project. How I can do it? File, create new design. Custom dimensions 550 cross 370 pixels. So this is another project that I've started. Alright, now what I want to do is I want to upload that image that I removed the background from. So I'll click upload image and then I'll select that image. Alright, the image is there. Okay, it's there. You can make it bigger, small according to your own choice. Okay. For example, you're providing picture editing services, for example. So you can write text using the same method. You can write professional picture editing services, right? So just fix this text, or you can also write another thing, like you can also add another heading or subheading using, like I want to add subheading. If you want to delete something, here's the delete option. You can click it and it will just vanish. I want to add a subheading, for example, so I'll click add a subheading and then I'll write only in $10. Let's suppose it just for now. Okay, here it goes. Now I want to do the editing of this text. What I'll do is I'll just change the color. For example, I want to change the color to blue, or if I want to select any custom color, I can go here and select the color of my own choice. So here it goes. Or you can also change the frame. If you want to go for the green color, you can also do that. Let's go for this color. Okay, and if you want to change this color, or like change the font first, let's go for some other font for now. let me show you all the fonts that we have. These are all the fonts that you can use, right? Let's click check in the font new. All right, let's use this font. So it's there, and I want to increase the font size as well. I'll go there and then I'll just click the font size according to my own choice. All right, now I want to edit this text. I'll go and change the font first. Let's go for this one and then click this font. I prefer using the same font for my pictures, like not multiple fonts in one picture. So that this there, and then I want to change the color. For example, I want to change the color to some other shade of green, so I'll go here and then I'll select some other shade of green. Yeah, or you can also select the same shade using, you can just go there and this is the color code for the color you are using. You can just copy this code and you can click here and go there and paste the code there, so it will become the same color code. All right, you can also adjust it like this. Now if I want to add some color to the background, how I can do it? I'll click the background frame and then I'll go to this option here and then I'll change the background. For example, I can go to some light color of gray. You can select the color of your own choice. Right, let's do peace with it for now. I know it's not that good, but I'm just telling you how you can adjust these things. All right, so this is another picture that you have created. Now if you want to download this picture, just click this button here and go to JPG format and then click download. All right, we have another file with us. You can also purchase the premium services of Canva. It's free for 30 days, but then it goes premium. All right, let's see now. So this is the picture that we have created using Canva. We removed the background, we added text to it, and then we changed the color of the background as well. Now if we want to create another image like this one, like I also added my work sample, then I added my picture, then I added some kind of arrow here and some text. How you can do it? You can do it in the same method. Like we have the picture here, you can go there and you can take the screenshot of your work, create another project, and then just I'm just telling you quickly now because the video is getting very lengthy. Okay, we'll use the picture that we already have, this one. So this is the picture here, and if you want to add a screenshot of your work sample, you can upload another picture. For example, this is my work sample for now, right? You can attach the screenshot of your work sample here, and you can write some text using this option here, like picture editing, right? So here this is how you can do it. After once you have adjust all the settings that you want to do, you can just go there and download the picture, right? Now come to the fourth sample, the illustrations. How you where you get these kind of pictures. Okay, there's a website for this as well. I use Picasa for this purpose. It has very great illustrations here. So you can get vectors, videos, or images from this website. For example, if you want to if you want to looking for some graph that you want to download, so you can just write graph, and here are the pictures of the graph that you will get. There will be illustrations like, see, like this, right? You can download this picture from here. You can also adjust the sizes that you want to use, and then click download. Verify that you are not a robot. All right, download. So the picture will be there. You can use it as you want to do. This is the graph that I've downloaded from that picture, and you can go to Canva and adjust it according to your own choice, right? So this is how you can edit pictures on Canva, right? This is the first method, using some online tool. Now I have another tool or software that you can use to create your own Fiverr Gig images. Basically I use Picasa for that purpose. This is basically software that I'm using since my teenage years, so it's very easy to use, very handy, and I am the most comfortable with this tool. I usually design all of my pictures using this one. So if you want to download this tool, I have added the link is in description, and I have added the link of all those websites that I have discussed earlier in the description as well. So you can download Picasa from here. It's basically a Google product and it's free to use. So you can download the this version here, and let me show you how it looks. Okay, I have already downloaded Picasa, so here it is. Okay, it's opening. This is the interface of Picasa. It just goes in your hard drive and then browse all the pictures that you have in your computer, and then it shows you all those pictures in the form of a gallery, right? You can select any picture that you want to use and then edit that picture in Picasa. For example, I have already created this picture, like this picture, and you can right click and then open this picture in Picasa, and then you can edit this picture. Like you can click this option here, edit in Picasa, and this picture will open in Picasa. This is the interface that you can use. This is the toolbar. It has 5 options. Commonly needed fixes, this highlights, shadows or color temperature, then some effects, etc. It has a lot of useful options, but the most commonly used that I use most commonly is the text option here. You can go to this text option and you can select the fonts that you want to use. It just copies all the font that you have in your laptop or your computer, and it shows all those fonts here. So just click the font you want to use. For example, I want to use this font here, and you can adjust the font sizes as well depending on your choice, right? For example, let's write something here, Fiverr Gig Image, right? This is what I've written. So I can adjust the font. I can make it bold, I can make it italic, underline, or whatever I want. So I can also make it big or small depending on this option here. I can also toggle this here, right? Like I can also spin it. You can do a lot of stuff here. Once you will have it, just explore the options and you will find a lot of good options to create your own picture for Fiverr. So you can add text, you can change colors here, a lot of color options, and then you can select, change alignment, etc. And once you have done all of these things, for example, and you will have to click apply, otherwise the changes will not save. right? Apply, and the changes will be there. If you want to add some color contrast or you want to fix the shadow, you can just click it and go there and fix the shadow of the picture. This according to your own choice. You can also add light. You can also do highlights, color temperature. So there are a lot of useful options. Besides that, it also allows you to create picture collage. You can also create movies with the help of it. You can create picture collages and you can do posters with it. Once you have done all of these things and your picture is good to use, just click this option here and click save as and save the image in your computer. All right, just go to laptop, desktop for now. All right, I saved the image and it's there. It's saved. Let me show you. So it's there. If you do not save the file, Picasa will show you in its library. See, it's there as well. So it's a pretty good software that you can use for picture editing. I always create my YouTube thumbnails. You can see this picture here. My blog images, I always create them using Picasa. All of these are created using Picasa. My Instagram pictures, all the cropping and highlighting and adding this text, etc. All of this is done using Picasa. So this is a great software that you can use, right? So these were the two tools that I wanted to show to you people. These are great tools that you can use for a lot of other purposes as well. Okay, I just wanted to show you that I have also written a blog post for this topic and I have added all the screenshots. If you have missed any step or if you didn't get any step, you can go here and read this blog post. It has all the screenshots and all the step-by-step procedure. I hope you will find it really helpful, so please give it a read. And don't forget to subscribe the channel because I'm coming with a lot of useful stuff in the next videos as well. So thank you for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.